Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood investing for beginners. First, download the Robinhood app and complete the quick sign-up process. You'll need to provide some personal information for verification. Once your account is approved, you can link your bank account to easily deposit funds. This initial setup is straightforward, allowing you to quickly move towards making your first investment. Funding your Robinhood account is simple. After linking your bank, you can initiate a transfer. Robinhood often provides instant access to funds up to $1,000, letting you start trading right away. For larger amounts, it might take a few business days for the deposit to fully settle. Always ensure you have sufficient funds before placing any trades to avoid issues. To make your first investment, use the search bar to find a company or ETF. Tap on the asset to view its details, including current price and historical performance. Decide how many shares you want to buy. You can place a market order for the current price or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Confirm your order, and you're officially an investor. Regularly check your portfolio to see how your investments are performing. You can view your total returns and the performance of each individual stock or ETF. Consider setting up price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a certain value, helping you make timely decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. Continuously learning and adapting your strategy is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.